Hi, welcome to the Statistics Bio 7. In episode 24, we will learn how to perform an independent sample t-test in MedCalc using a biomedical dataset. This test is used when we want to compare the mean of two independent groups. And what is the independent sample t-test? The independent sample t-test evaluates whether the mean difference between two unrelated groups is statistically significant. The example for the two groups for the male with female blood pressure example, we take this data set, and another for the treated with control group, smoker with non-smokers for the biomedical data set examples. So now we take the data set for the two groups. So group 1 male and the group 2 for the female, and the male systolic blood pressure milligram per mercury and the female systolic blood pressure for the two unrelated groups. So now the analyzed for the independent t-test for the MedCalc software. So go to the top menu in MedCalc software, selected for the statistics options, then selected for the t-test, then selected the second one options for the independent sample t-test. Then click to the open the new tab for the independent sample t-test. So the sample 1 and the sample 2 for the groups. So the first variable selected for the male systolic blood pressure. So selected the male systolic blood pressure, and the sample 2 selected for the female systolic blood pressure. So selected the filter is options, but we different for the two groups separated in our data set for the male and female, so not selected for the filter options. On the right side of the menu, then options for the logarithmic transformations, this is option only, and the confidence level of interval percentage selected for the standard the 95 and the another one option for the 90. So I selected the standard options 95, and the correlations for the equal variations. So the automatic for the you don't know for the this variation sample 1 and sample 2 equal or unequal. Do you know this the data for the equal? Selected assume the equal variations. Do you know for the unknown of the two samples, example the male and female, selected the assume the unequal. If you don't know for the sample 1 and sample 2 the equal or unequal, so selected for the automatic. Then for the residual options, selected for the Shapiro walk test, because the 5 tests already explained for the before videos. So our data set suitable for the Shapiro walk test. So clicked at the Shapiro walk test, then click to the OK button. Now analyzed for the independent sample t-test in the MedCalc software. So the variable 1 sample for the male systolic blood pressure, then variable 2 female systolic blood pressure, and the table for the sample size the equal the sample 1 and sample 2 the 12 patients, because the 12 male and the 12 female, and the arithmetic mean value for the sample 1 133.58 and sample 2 125.16, and the 95% of confidence interval for the mean 131.19 to 135.96, then sample 2 123.61 to the 126.71. so the variations the 14.08 and 5.96 sample 1 and sample 2. So the standard deviation for the sample 1 3.75 and the sample 2 2.44. so the standard error of the mean 1.08 0.70. so the test for the equal variations the p is equal to 0.170. so the t-test assume the equal variations, the difference minus 8.41, the polled standard deviations 3.16, and the standard error 1.29. So the 95% of confidence interval, the difference minus 11.09 to minus 5.73. So the t-test statistics minus 6.51 and the degrees of freedom 22. The two-tailed probability p less than 0.0001. The residual, the Shapiro walk test for the normal distributions w is equal to 0.98 and accepted the normality p is equal to 0.98. So next one for the data comparison the graph. Click to the options, open the new tab for the data comparison graph. So the variable 1 and 2 already selected for the male and female, and the graph options, if you want the bar graph, selected the bar, the horizontal lines, the marker and connecting line, if you want for this graph, selected for the additional options. So I only selected for the bar graph, and the error bar options is the standard for the 95% of confidence interval, the mean, and the additional for the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 and 1 standard error mean. So the last one for the range. So I selected for the 95% of confidence interval for the mean, and the additional graph for the box plot and the violin plot and dot plot, also the another graphs. So the option for the logarithmic transformations I am not selected. Then click to the OK button. Then created for the bar graph in our data set. So the simple customized options only, the right click for the line, hide the line, and right click for the graph, format graph. So the border color selected to the black and the thickness increased, and the right click for the confidence interval lines, right click, then selected for the color and click to the OK, and the change to the bar color, selected format color and the fill the color, any one color you choose, green, then click to the OK button. So this is a graph creating method. The font also the time Roman, the 13 already selected. So this is for the analyzing for the independent t-test in MedCalc software and created for the bar graph. So if you any doubt on this video for the independent sample t-test, leave me comments in the comment box. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.